Burndy Crimp system is a method for making electrical connections using specialized tools and connectors. It joins two or more conductors together by compressing a metal sleeve around them. Cad weld is another method, which is a welding process designed specifically for joining electrical conductors using a portable welding gun to create an exothermic weld. Both Burndy crimping and Cad welding achieve permanent electrical connections but differ in characteristics and applications. The acceptability of the Burndy crimp system as an alternative to Cad weld depends on the specific application and industry regulations. Many utility companies in the United States have approved the Burndy crimp system for certain applications such as underground distribution systems. In industrial settings, the Burndy crimp system may be acceptable where Cad weld is impractical. The National Electrical Code, or NEC, and other electrical codes may specify Cad weld for certain applications, and this would take precedence. Advantages of Burndy crimping include faster installation time compared to Cad weld, increased portability with less specialized equipment, suitability for use in confined spaces, and potentially lower cost than Cad weld in some situations. Disadvantages of Burndy crimping include potentially not being suitable for all applications, especially high current connections, the requirement for specialized tools and connectors, and connections that may be more susceptible to corrosion than Cad weld. When considering the Burndy crimp system versus Cad weld, several factors must be taken into account. Firstly, consider the specific application. High current applications may still necessitate Cad weld due to its superior conductivity and resistance to corrosion. Secondly, review the relevant electrical codes and standards. The NEC provides guidelines for acceptable methods of grounding and bonding, and it's crucial to adhere to these requirements. Thirdly, consult with local authorities and utility companies. They may have specific requirements or preferences regarding the types of connections they approve. Fourthly, evaluate the environmental conditions. In corrosive environments, Cad weld may be a better choice due to its inherent resistance to corrosion. Fifthly, assess the skill and training of the personnel performing the connections. Proper crimping techniques are essential to ensure a reliable and long-lasting connection. The Burndy crimp system offers several advantages. It provides a faster installation process, which can be beneficial in time-sensitive projects. It is more portable than Cad weld equipment, making it suitable for remote or difficult-to-access locations. It eliminates the need for open flames, reducing the risk of fire hazards. It offers a wider range of connector sizes and types to accommodate various conductor sizes and configurations. However, there are also limitations to consider. Crimped connections may not perform as well as Cad welded connections under extreme heat or vibration. The long-term reliability of crimped connections can be affected by factors such as improper installation or corrosion. Specialized tools and training are required to ensure proper crimping techniques. The cost of Burndy crimping tools and connectors can be significant, especially for infrequent use. Cad welding, on the other hand, offers its own set of benefits. It creates a molecular bond between the conductors, resulting in a high-strength, corrosion-resistant connection. Cad welded connections have excellent conductivity and are capable of withstanding high currents and temperatures. The process is relatively simple and does not require highly specialized skills. Once the weld is complete, there is no need for additional maintenance or inspection. However, Cad welding also has its drawbacks. It is a slower process compared to crimping, requiring more time and labor. It involves the use of open flames, which can pose a fire hazard in certain environments. The equipment is bulky and less portable than crimping tools. The fumes produced during the welding process can be harmful if inhaled. The cost of Cad welding molds and materials can be higher than crimping connectors. When selecting between Burndy crimping and Cad welding, it is important to carefully evaluate the project requirements, environmental conditions, and available resources. Consider the following factors to make an informed decision. Firstly, the type of conductors being joined. Different materials may require different connection methods. Secondly, the size and configuration of the conductors. Larger conductors may be better suited for Cad welding. Thirdly, the current carrying capacity required for the connection. High current applications may necessitate Cad welding. Fourthly, the environmental conditions. Corrosive environments may favor Cad welding. Fifthly, the accessibility of the location. Crimping may be easier in confined spaces. Sixthly, the availability of trained personnel. Proper crimping techniques are essential for reliable connections. Seventhly, the budget constraints. Crimping tools and connectors can be expensive. Eighthly, the regulatory requirements. The NEC and local codes may specify the acceptable connection methods. In addition to the technical considerations, it is also important to consider the safety aspects of each method. Crimping requires the use of personal protective equipment such as gloves and safety glasses to protect against sharp edges and flying debris. Cad welding requires additional precautions to prevent burns and exposure to harmful fumes. It is essential to follow the manufacturer's instructions and safety guidelines when using either method. In conclusion, the choice between Burndy crimping and Cad welding depends on a variety of factors. Both methods have their advantages and disadvantages, and the best option will depend on the specific application and circumstances. Carefully evaluate the project requirements, environmental conditions, available resources, and safety considerations before making a decision. Consulting with qualified electrical professionals can provide valuable insights and ensure that the chosen method meets all applicable codes and standards. The long-term reliability of electrical connections is critical to the safe and efficient operation of electrical systems. Proper installation techniques and regular inspections are essential to prevent failures and ensure that connections remain secure and corrosion-free. The Burndy Crimp system can be a viable alternative to Cad Weld in certain applications, but it is important to understand its limitations and to follow best practices for installation and maintenance. Similarly, Cad welding offers a robust and reliable connection method, but it is not always the most practical or cost-effective solution. By carefully weighing the pros and cons of each method, electrical professionals can make informed decisions that result in safe and reliable electrical connections. In summary, remember these points. Firstly, understand the specific application requirements. Secondly, comply with relevant electrical codes and standards. Thirdly, consult with local authorities and utility companies. Fourthly, consider the environmental conditions and potential for corrosion. Fifthly, ensure proper training and technique for the chosen method. Sixthly, prioritize safety throughout the installation process. By adhering to these principles, you can ensure that your electrical connections are safe, reliable, and compliant with all applicable regulations. In the context of electrical engineering and construction, the choice between using a Burndy Crimp system and Cad welding as methods for creating electrical connections represents a critical decision point that can significantly impact the reliability, safety, and longevity of electrical systems. Both techniques serve the fundamental purpose of permanently joining electrical conductors to facilitate the flow of electrical current, but they achieve this goal through fundamentally different processes and exhibit distinct characteristics that make them suitable for various applications and operating environments. The Burndy Crimp system, named after the manufacturer Burndy LLC, relies on mechanical deformation to create a secure electrical connection. This process involves using specialized crimping tools to compress a metallic connector, typically made of copper or aluminum, around the conductors being joined. The pressure exerted by the crimping tool forces the connector material into intimate contact with the conductor strands, creating a low-resistance electrical path. The effectiveness of a crimped connection hinges on several factors, including the correct selection of connector size and material, the proper application of crimping force, and the absence of contaminants that could impede electrical conductivity or accelerate corrosion. Cad welding, also known as exothermic welding, is a process that utilizes the heat generated by a chemical reaction to fuse electrical conductors together. This reaction typically involves a combination of copper oxide and aluminum powder within a mold that surrounds the conductors. When ignited, the mixture produces molten copper, which flows around the conductors, creating a metallurgical bond that is highly conductive and mechanically strong. Cad welded connections are renowned for their ability to withstand high currents, resist corrosion, and maintain their integrity over long periods, making them a preferred choice for critical applications where reliability is paramount. When evaluating the suitability of Burndy Crimp systems and Cad welding for a specific project, several key considerations come into play. Firstly, the electrical code requirements must be carefully reviewed to ensure compliance with applicable standards. The National Electrical Code, or NEC, provides guidelines for acceptable methods of grounding, bonding, and conductor splicing, and it is imperative that the chosen connection technique meets these requirements. Secondly, the operating environment must be assessed to determine the potential for corrosion, vibration, or other factors that could compromise the integrity of the electrical connection. In harsh environments, Cad welded connections may offer superior resistance to degradation compared to crimped connections. Thirdly, the skill level of the personnel performing the installation must be taken into account. Proper crimping techniques require specialized training and adherence to manufacturer's instructions, while Cad welding requires careful handling of molten materials and adherence to safety protocols. Fourthly, the cost-effectiveness of each method must be evaluated, considering factors such as material costs, labor costs, and equipment costs. In some cases, crimping may offer a more economical solution, particularly for smaller projects or applications where speed of installation is a priority. In addition to these practical considerations, it is also important to consider the long-term performance characteristics of each connection technique. Cad welded connections are known for their exceptional reliability and longevity, often outlasting the lifespan of the electrical system itself. Crimped connections, on the other hand, may be more susceptible to degradation over time, particularly if they are not properly installed or if they are exposed to harsh environmental conditions. Therefore, it is crucial to carefully weigh the potential risks and benefits of each method before making a final decision. The application of a Burndy Crimp system involves several distinct steps. Firstly, the conductors to be joined must be properly prepared by removing any insulation or contaminants that could interfere with the electrical connection. Secondly, the appropriate size and type of connector must be selected based on the conductor size and material. Thirdly, the connector is placed over the conductors and the crimping tool is used to compress the connector around the conductors. The crimping tool must be calibrated to apply the correct amount of force to ensure a secure electrical connection without damaging the conductors or the connector. Fourthly, the crimped connection must be inspected to verify that it meets the manufacturer's specifications and that there are no visible defects. Cad welding, similarly, involves a series of carefully executed steps. Firstly, the conductors to be joined must be cleaned and aligned within the welding mold. Secondly, the appropriate size and type of welding mold must be selected based on the conductor size and configuration. Thirdly, the welding material, typically a prepackaged mixture of copper oxide and aluminum powder, is placed within the mold. Fourthly, the welding material is ignited using a flint igniter or electronic starter. The resulting exothermic reaction generates intense heat, melting the copper and fusing the conductors together. Fifthly, after the weld has cooled, the mold is removed and the connection is inspected for any defects. In conclusion, the choice between using a Burndy Crimp system and Cad welding for electrical connections depends on a complex interplay of factors, including electrical code requirements, operating environment considerations, skill level of personnel, cost effectiveness, and long-term performance characteristics. By carefully evaluating these factors and consulting with qualified electrical professionals, engineers and contractors can make informed decisions that result in safe, reliable, and long-lasting electrical systems.